Is it important to take control of your finances if you're a designer or freelancer? You know, the answer is yes. It's good to have an understanding of accounting stuff and also about money. You can pay for someone to do it for you. It's not that expensive. But if you want to do it yourself, it's a good skill to learn. And you know, you can just use Google Sheets. For me personally, I use Google Sheets. I have a spreadsheet and I put everything into, just blocks. And I have my, my everyday expenses. I have my business expenses. Then I have all my freelance payments from my clients and my projects that are coming through, and just monitoring my cash flows and cash outs as well. So, once you start monitoring your money and paying attention to it, then you can start making bigger goals. You can start setting targets as well as seeing everything from the bigger picture and seeing where you're actually spending. I realize these days I have a lot of subscriptions to different platforms and courses and things like that. And I realize the things that I'm not getting value out of anymore, which I used to, I'm pretty much going to cancel those to minimize my expenses. Even if you have like a Spotify, subscription or whatever subscription, see which ones you can minimize so you can get more cash flow to, buy some new mock-up kits or new design tools. Just think about things from a bigger picture. But definitely, just jump on Google Sheets. It's free, and start, tracking down your expenses and things like that, because it's actually really going to help you out and you'll benefit from it. So yeah, just a quick tip. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the like button, it really helps me out. And let me know in the comments below if this was helpful or not. And don't forget to subscribe for more content every week.